Welcome to the Easy Fixit channel, and wanted to talk about Zoom a little bit. A lot of people still asking me a lot of questions about Zoom. So I, for now, am telling everybody not to use this software. It's a very popular piece of software for video conferencing. And but the problem is it has so many security flaws and so many questions about how the company handles privacy of the data that I am still, even though there were some updates and a lot of people were talking to me about that, there were some updates, they were saying that they fixed stuff. Well, even with that, I'm still not convinced that Zoom is worth checking out. Be very careful. Zoom has several flaws. One of the biggest that some users have reported is Zoom bombing or Zoom jacking, if you want. What happens is that what you have is you are in a conference with other people, and bad guys or hackers can get into a conversation even if they're not invited. There's been many reports of this happening and having porn and all sorts of crappy stuff happen and show up because of that. Let's hope that that is fixed, or at least going to be fixed soon, because that's one bad thing, especially if you have children using Zoom. I think that's not a good thing. There's a lot of questions about how they handle your personal data. Apparently, one of the updates that was released last week fixes one problem that a lot of people were complaining. A lot of the data going through China. Only time will tell if this is actually getting better. But there's still the questions of all the privacy issues, what the personal data of everybody is, what they do with it, and basically what's happening is even a few months ago, a lot of security companies said, Zoom is a security problem. There's a lot of things we don't like. So, let's wait and see. I still would say not to use Zoom. Use any other conferencing tool, Skype or whatever, your favorite way of doing it. And we'll wait and see how they fix things and how things get better. Maybe eventually Zoom will be worth using again. But right now, I am telling everybody not to use this because of its security hazard. So hang in there. There will probably be more updates. And I mean, the company has 200 million users now, so they're probably going to work hard to fix a lot of the problems. Let's hope they do, because there's no need for that type of behavior on apps and on the way that things work on the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.